megalayapost.news.
Kumbas pangut kisamla na riboy mentakas ngi kilayo pedang ya kisernot hadian bakila pendap ya ke program ajeng hikai ke balai banai bala penong da ke North East Institute of Professional Studies NEIPS hariboy ha ke ba ya kini kisernot lasam ha jingyalang ke balalong mentakas ngi hador barhol sajer nongpo nalor kiti kisernot la nek certificate bala sam shu kisamla bala pendap ha ke program ajeng hikai ke balong lai banai kanti lasam ru ya ki appointment letter na ke benta kitu kisamla ki balayo kam job placement ki bahab ban litre shabar bat kentup ru kitu kisamla ki baseng kam seng jam lajong ya kene ke program lawan benshimenta do deputy commissioner riboy kum kongsan bat ke kongrona kemdet kum kesembut kongsan balasak hilang ru hagane ke sngi da jingdon langki officer na DCIC MSSDS bat kentup ru kitegi samla ki bala pendap ya ke jing anjing hikai lengba ke North East Institute of Professional Studies rengkat ke jing kershan ke skills Meghalaya lengba ke sorkar jela ki jaj kam ki bala anjing hikai hakane ke program anjing hikai balai benai ki kentup ya commerce chef led sofa gents wears assistant but F&B service. Habakran ru hakani ka sngi nagalyang deputy commissioner Kariboy Abhilash Baranwal bat ke MDC kanongpo ka kongrona kemdaj kila ajing ero ya ka North East Institute of Professional Studies ki balashim ya kani ka benta banajing hikai ki samla ki ba omdon kamdon jam bat ki kermens kam badakani ka jingdon kum kini ki jing hikai kan plilat ya ki samla bakin sengkam sengjam lajong.
Kaban congratulate di nengkong haswa ka ba manibaro min thakila ngakwa ba manibaro min thakki dalade yalade shwa ba ki weekend pen shlor yani yen pen shlor shwa dalade ki weekend no la pan pen shlor yani de tang mani de tang mon ga jungi ka bala kan ai ben sia yani dengan ne ko por do ken yen 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 thak ki shwa na ka ban kai ne congratulations to each one of you. You are going to have one star on your shoulders. Kindon iwe iklor mental in your klor. Kins ai kindon tu ki akut ki ba ufisi ula ai di klor haka terpeng ke jongi. Uklor ka bamot ba, ustar haka terpeng ke jongi ka bamot ka certificate ka ba mapi kinyo mental kasni. Pada ka tu ka certificate pade kan tenkim jakpo yapi. Deniam. Pada certificate ka ba kinyo ka tarai kam nei tang ka we kalan. Andai lagi jong ilan di baper ngalayos no mene di si la pen batay ba ikong monika ila brief ba yang aswa ban sedang ke program bagi don kita ki elon ki cosmetology mo ngi check on ki beauty parlor tenang ta pade ki don kita ki bale training ha ban su kita di sofa ki don ru ki ba training haka pa ya dei bat kita ki mene iong ikong idang ajing kren iong ba pansnai ki umso mo ki juis menshwa ni leti ta ha hidukan ki barem dor teng ada ban le ru ki hapan perkat shwa ka pala da jongi ka piak ne ya ten re nogal product benda hapo riboy jongi lele ni don shibut ki so ki pai ki bateng ki hab amadan yemla ban shuba muro ya ki kuntu kumunde uso uso ba mo kita butuh lele ni shubrat hamadan hamadia tenrenga ipat na kabenta itu ki balayo training kinang bagi terlais hadin bagi la pemi meni ha karupong jong ka juis udung de uso ubabang na preng di babang tang nene ya dan ayana kan ne kadau mas ngau ya kapan ai men siam yupi iwe by way pan ong ba pinong yo tangi ka training tenre dengan pa ka training ka ba pinyo ngayos yo ki DC ong ba hindi ken bangin ong ba ngin tang ma ka benta bangin em benta training ru na ka benta ka laway ka jongi pagkata ka training kan de kaman support EP in a lifelong takabot haka jikyep ka jongi ka pamanga kasi aka future ka jongi ka ka banga susi kindiat ka lomba mani ngakam mani yala de ng kong ka ka bangi kwa ka de ka spoon feeding ka ba kiong baro ngikwa ya ka kam sorka lamang ka kam sorka ngiletre man kasi at the end of the month ngiyo ya ka salary deniam to ka sorka nagpantati food grade ka no life hojan maybe ki balakam he ta kadang iyo sampo drupo nyopo okay officers kinyo tenre nga ongan to kakam sorka kan diam balat bangilyo kam omba kam yo tenre ka padel ka banga penstoria piba kakam sorka kan mogin la patay suppose sabo riboy na jongi ladaki office kidon ki department kidon sang totally hakawi ka office ladang kidon shipotally tangkan nongo de ibangin la pan kandidat yang ikut samla di jongi. Ki bapas manus nem ki kena matrik di jongi dan ki pau hajar ki pas agasis nem. Dan mereka pos ke balai pat hapo ki department ki baper ngatarai wat ke kamplis ke kampun ke balai. Lai spa lane sang spa pos. Dan mereka nong apply dan ki pau hajar. Yanuan ai yanuan dam. Dengan obat nom le apply kita ngin apply haba kalat kapli haba kilong qualify. Tapi ladang ngimyo kita pada hato kante kajimput lat namar mangimyo kakam sorga.
Result of which it has received sanction for providing training of so many different categories and have been able to train so many wonderful youth of our district. So my sincere gratitude to MSSDS and NEIPS for not only providing the training but also successfully completing it. The idea of entire skill development program is to equip them with productive ability, with productive skills, so that they do not really need to depend on jobs, but they can become job creators themselves. If you'll see, ma'am, most of the trades in which they have been trained, whether it is sofa maker, whether it is cosmetologist, or basically chef, and the other two trades are, one is F&B and the final one is right. So basically these 5 trades, the idea is that eventually, although for the initial period they might be engaged in somebody else's venture, but eventually many of them will move on to make their own setups and in fact become employers instead of just remaining employees. So congratulations to all the trainees over here. I hope that the dream and vision with which Honorable CM Sir and the Government of Meghalaya aided by MSSDS is operating, you will fulfill that vision and you will turn into job givers instead of job seekers. That's the eventual idea. And from our side, from district administration side, we can assure you that as you all are probably aware, that Nongpo Town Shopping Complex has also become functional to a great extent. We are having a very, footfall has increased. We are opening all sorts of venues for the entrepreneurs to come and open their shops over there. So in case anyone is interested, you are more than welcome to apply to our office for getting a shop over there. Simultaneously, as I understand that many of you will be needing loans as well, so we have our DCIC representative, they can guide you. But from our side, what I'll do is, we have a skill development officer, ma'am. We do not have a full-fledged one as of now. So Jafet, who is actually from state headquarters, is having a dual charge of SDO of Rivoi as well. So, but hopefully we'll eventually get a full-fledged SDO. So whoever will be the person, but the idea is that from district administration will appoint a nodal person, that in case any of you trainee needs a bank loan, from our office you can contact that person and we will basically coordinate efforts with all concerned institutions, whether it is DCIC, whether it is KVIC, KVIB, or whether it is CM Elevate program, or for that matter whether it is banks. We will coordinate all the efforts so that you get a seamless experience and you do not have to run after one office and another for getting the loan. But the overall idea is that this can all help you only if you want to be helped. So please take this training seriously. There would be a hand-holding period also, as I understand. Correct? After the certificate distribution, there will be a hand-holding period as well. So during this, gain as much experience as possible. Do not work hard. The idea is the reason why many youths are not also going to outside is because the competence level that they get is not really that great. I mean, if you compare a tailor from, let's say, Guwahati and a tailor from here, the what should I say? The quality of work may differ slightly, may differ initially, but the overall idea is if you work hard, if you are open to learning, and if you make it a lifelong learning experience, then there is no reason why you will not really, you will not be better than the tailors who are there in Shillong or Guwahati as well. So the overall message that I wanted to give you was that don't just limit yourself to the training that you have got here. After you will be going to your jobs, understand that it's a lifelong learning experience, that you make that as part of your daily life. Try and strive for daily improvement so that you become one of the best in your field. Only after you have become the best in your field, you can expect that it will give you a livelihood which is not only sufficient, but it is sufficient. So sufficient enough that you can actually take care of livelihood of many other people.
Meghalaya Post.news.